So one of the things that you can do in Affinity is go ahead and use Vector Flood Fill tool to fill in between shapes. Let's say, for example, if I were to have, let's say, random squiggle like this, let's say in between you can see that there are spaces. So what you can do around over here from the left side is go to Vector Flood Fill tool. So now if I were to click, you can see that I can fill in between the spaces right here. You can go ahead right here, double click on the color and select out another color, let's say for example, and then press close. And if you were to click on it, you can see that you can fill it out with a color. You can go around over here and then select this out, close it out and click, and you can see that you can fill it out with the color just like this. Similarly, if you have multiple shapes right here, like let's say for example, I have this, and let's say for example, I have no fill color. So let's not add any fill color right here, just like this, and increase out the like let's say for example the size right here. I can go ahead and click and drag right here just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and use the Vector Flood Fill tool, it does not work right out of the box. So what you actually need to do is group out these objects first. So I need to go ahead and select out all, right click and group it first. So once I go ahead and do that and use the Vector Fill tool, now you can see that I can select out parts of the shape right here, go ahead and select out a color as I wish, and then you can go ahead and then fill it out like right this, just like this, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here, and then you can go ahead and fill this up right here, and this is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with Vector Flood Fill tool inside of Affinity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.